All right, guys, same truck, new body. Let's check it out. The new Injora bug body. Let's take her for a spin. I got a super wide stance on this truck. Four-wheel steer. Oh, took out the tree. Jeez, can't do that. I'll put the tree back later. Took out the tree. Looks good. I like this bug body. Got the new Injora Klingon tires and brass wheels. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna fall. Yeah, flipped it. Oh, let's try that again. There we go. Maybe not. Come on. Oh, God, come on. Should make this. We'll just do the four-wheel steer and make it easy. I say that, but watch me crash it again. I don't know why it's doing that. Lifting up that right front. There we go. Didn't have problems getting up this. Kinda am. Interesting. There we go. Huh. There we go. No problems there. Do four-wheel steer, get up this. Another steep section. Not all my trucks can get up. This one should get up. And we do. Almost took out another tree. Oh! We'll go up the steepest part of the track. Test this out, see how well she does. Not know why she can't get up there. Do some crawling. There we go, come on. Should be able to get up this hill. And we do. No problem there. Drop down this ledge and over to another tricky spot, which is right up here. There we go. Keep that right side down. Get that tire over. And there we go. Through the mud pit and up this steep section right here. And there we go. Down the hill. Hopefully we don't flip over. And then another steep section right here. This shouldn't be a problem for this truck though. Most trucks can get up this. Good there. Into the sand pit and then out. Side hill this. And we'll go down this hill. Back up this. We'll go through the tunnel. Haven't been through the tunnel in a while. This one's tough because I don't know, it doesn't have light, so I don't know when it's coming. Hopefully I don't crash it. There we go. Past the Bronco that I got sitting next in the sand. And we'll go up this cool line right here. I like this line. Oh. Always get hung up on this, guys. And there we go. This is a fun line right here. Yeah. It's a fun line. Up the hill. Like that. One last thing I want to show you guys. This will go up the rock. Like so. Whoop, got stuck. He's so wide that he bottoms out, but we'll try getting up this section that I built. Yeah, with no problem at all. He gets up. Oh, I spoke too soon. He flips over. Oh, and I lost a tire. All right, guys, one last section and then we'll call it good. Climbing up this part of the hill. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. All right, guys, the new body. Let me know in the comment section how you like this body. I think it looks pretty sweet. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And until the next time, thanks for watching.